Now see a carbon resistor of 47 kilo ohm plus minus 10%. 10% is here tolerance, is to be marked with the rings of different colors for its identification. Write the sequence of color. So, the total resistance you are given here 47 kilo ohm plus minus 10%. We can write here 47 into 10 raised to power 3 plus minus 10%. So, now we have to get color code or the color combination for this value of resistance. Now, see here you can see the table where I told you the numbers for the different colors. 4 is here for the yellow. So, the first color is here for yellow. 7th color 7 is for violet. So, we can write is here for violet. Third one is the multiplier, this is for orange. So, it will be here orange. And fourth one is telling tolerance, and the plus minus 10% tolerance is for silver. So, this will be the color combination for this yellow, violet, orange and silver.